Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are going to be reviewing the independent practice from Lesson 4, Solving Linear Equations with Like Terms. Listen, you don't learn math unless you do math. If you did not do these problems, or at least try them, then you need to turn the video off and make an effort. You can do this. I have faith. Go back, rewatch a video. You can do it. It's okay. Solve each question for the variable. You must solve each equation in level 1 correctly before going on to the next level. Check yourself for problem number 2. I say check yourself for problem number 1 too. That should have been number 1 and 2. Got it. So the first one, 2y minus 5y is 24. Remember, subtraction is the same as adding a negative. So you could really write 2y plus negative 5y is 24. And I'm telling you to do that because you see that there's different signs. So you would subtract 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 is larger than 2. Negative 3y equals 24. And that's the combined like terms part of it. Divide by negative 3 on both sides of the equal sign. And you get y equals negative 8. Now check it, please. Check these things. So the check would be 2 times negative 8 minus 5 times negative 8. Let's see. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. And again, I'm going to change this to plus a negative. Negative 5 times negative 8 is positive 40. The signs are different, so you would subtract 40 minus 16 is 24. 40 is positive, so it would be positive 24. Oh, I forgot to do the other side. Equals 24, equals 24, equals 24, and it checks. Yay, we did it right. Okay, now a little separation here. All right, combining like terms. I'm going to start by looking at the 2x plus 4x. That's a plus there. 2x plus 4x is 6x. Negative 6 plus 3, negative 3. Remember, it's the same as 3 plus negative 6. And negative 6 is larger than 3, so this would be negative 3. Equals 9. Okay, add 3 to both sides. 6x equals 12. Divide both sides by 6. And x equals 2. Just put a little box around that. And go back here and put a box around that one too. It's always good to try to make your solution stand out a little. All right, now to do the check. I have to rewrite all of that, substituting 2 for x. So I'm just going to hold my paper down to do that. 2 times 2 minus 6 plus 4 times 2 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4 minus 6 plus 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 equals 9. Let's see, 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 8 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Or I could have just put that in my calculator and get the same answer. But, you know, my brain is almost as, it's really not, but almost as good as a calculator. Okay, on to the next. Remember, when there is no number in front of the variable, the coefficient is 1. But this is negative m, so it's really negative 1m plus negative 7 plus 4m plus negative 5 equals negative 3. Okay, combine the like terms. Negative 1m and 4m, their signs are different, so you subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 is larger, it's positive, so 3m. Negative 7 and negative 5, the signs are the same, So you just add them. 5 plus 7 is 12. They're both negative, so it's minus 12, because be plus negative is the same as subtract. Equals negative 3. All right, the inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. And 3m equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. And m equals 3. Now I could do a quick on my calculator check just to make sure that I got that right. You know, so negative 3 minus 7 plus 4 times negative 3 minus 5. I should do all that and get the wrong answer. What did I do? Oh, look at me being stupid. I used negative 3 there. That's a positive 3. Bad Bono. So the reason this is negative 3 is because that's a negative m. So negative 3 minus 7 plus 4 times 3 minus 5. And that is negative 3. Negative 3. What did I do there? Blah, blah, blah. It is negative 3. Oh, goodness me. Look at that. That's negative 3. Put your glasses on, old woman. All right. Listen. When I made a mistake, the first thing I did was check my check. That's what you should do, too. You're checking to make sure your answer's right, but you're just as likely to make a mistake in the check as you are in the math. So check your check first, and then go back and check your math. All right, let's take a look at this. Remember, I don't have to check any of these, but my calculator is like literally right here. Why wouldn't I? So, combine like terms, 6a minus 2a. So 25 equals 6 minus 2, 4a plus 5. Inverse of plus 5, minus 5 from both sides. And 20 equals 4a. Divide both sides by, oh, look at that, a doesn't even look like an a. I really need to work on that. Divide both sides by 4, and you get 5 equals a. Or a equals 5, which is what I like better. Listen, be careful when you're using variables that are not x and y, because you saw my a looked like a 9 for a second, didn't it? Really got to be careful with stuff like that. I mean, my big problem is my s's look like 5s and my z's really look like 2s, but being careful, you don't have so many problems. Oh, look. Ugh, I know what you're thinking. It's just decimals, it's okay. All right, start by combining 5/10 y and 1.5 y. If you're unsure, just add the coefficients on the calculator. Clear that up, and 5/10 plus 1 5/10 is 2. See, not so bad. Calculator will do a lot of your thinking for you. So now I have 2y equals negative 1 8/10. And if you're worried, you still have that calculator, just use it. So let's see, here we go. Negative 1 8/10 divided by 2 is negative 9/10. So y equals negative 9/10. There we go. Ooh, look at that. What is the common denominator between 3 and 2? So my least common denominator is going to be 6. Always start with that. So everybody here, bump, 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 bump. Oh, look, convenient, times 6. So 6 times 1, 6 times 1, 6 times 14. So 6 times 1 over 3x plus 6 times 1 over 2x equals 6 times 14. And I can't see that, sorry. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1, 2x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3, x. Equals 6 times 14. My, oh my, that's going to take a little thinking, isn't it? 14 times 6 is, yep, that's what I thought, 84. Hope you can see it. There you go. 84. 2 plus 3, 5x equals 84. Got to combine those like terms. Divide both sides by 5. And x equals, well, I don't know. 84 divided by 5 is 16 and 8/10. Oh, no, I can't write that. I can't write 16 and 8/10. You know what I can write, though? Double arrows. Nope. 16 and 8/10 is 84 over 5. I could leave it as 84 over 5, or I could make that 16 and 4/5, which is what it would be as a mixed number. I'm pretty sure that that would be the answer, but that could be the same. It's pretty much the same. All right. Well, not too bad. I hope that you got them all and that you made an effort. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.